Imagine walking through a Florida grove that once thrived with citrus trees, only to find empty rows and dead wood. Farmers here face weaker soils, rising costs, and fewer options to stay productive. But there's hope, and it comes from a centuries-old solution making a comeback: biochar. Meet Jeff, a citrus grower in Central Florida. Year after year, he watched his soils dry out faster, his crops struggle, while his expenses climbed. He knew fertilizer was helping in the short term, but slowly hurting his land in the future. Florida's sandy soils need more than chemicals. They need life. Jeff's struggle isn't new. Thousands of years ago, farmers in the Amazon faced the same challenge: poor, depleted soils. They mixed in charcoal-like materials, creating soils that stayed fertile for generations. Today, we call that material biochar, and science now explains why it works. Biochar is made by heating plants or wood waste in a low-oxygen process. The result is a stable carbon product that stays in the soil for decades. Biochar improves soil aeration, stores water, and holds nutrients where plants can access them. It also creates a home for beneficial microbes, tiny helpers that naturally support healthy crops. Here in Florida, BAR is taking this to the next level. We turn dead citrus groves and wood waste into biochar on-site using mobile biochar production machines. Instead of burning and dumping, this material comes full circle back into the soil where it belongs, restoring life and value. The results speak for themselves. Studies show biochar can increase yields by up to 30% in poor soils. By locking carbon in the soil, biochar fights climate change. It creates local jobs and strengthens communities. Every project benefits both the environment and the economy. That is why Biotech Applied Research is leading the way. We work with growers, researchers, and communities to turn local action into large-scale impact. So, how can you get involved? Farmers can bring biochar to their land, communities can support pilot projects, and anyone who cares about climate or local economies can donate to scale the mission. Florida farmers don't have to choose between productivity and soil health. With biochar, we can restore soils, strengthen farms, create jobs, and protect our environment, building a sustainable future for generations to come.